Hey everyone! Welcome back to Zubair Creative Studio, your ultimate hub for creative ideas, tech tips, and innovative solutions. I'm Zubair, and today, I'll walk you through an exciting process to create a fully functional, professional business website in just 5 minutes using the incredible power of AI. Imagine having a sleek, modern website up and running without the need for coding or hiring a developer. The best part? This method is not only super easy, but also completely beginner-friendly and free. Whether you're starting a new business, showcasing your services, or building an online presence, this tutorial has got you covered. So, stick around, and let's get started. First, open Google Chrome or any browser of your choice. In the search bar, type nove.ai or click the link provided in the description below to go directly to the website. Once you're on the website, you'll see a sleek and simple interface. This AI-powered tool can create a complete business website in minutes. Isn't that amazing? Now, click on the login button at the top. Use your Gmail account to log in. It's quick and secure. Once logged in, click on the Get Started button to begin. Next, the tool will ask for some basic information about your website. Don't worry, it's super simple. First, enter the name of your business. If you already have a name, type it in. If not, no problem. I've got you covered. In my video description, I've added a special ChatGPT prompt for generating creative business names. Copy the prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and let it generate some unique ideas for you. Choose the name you like, copy it, and paste it back into nove.ai. Then, click Next. Now, you'll need to specify the type of business you're building. Again, no worries if you're unsure. I've added another ChatGPT prompt in the description to help you generate this. Simply copy, paste, and you're good to go. Next, provide a short description of your business. Use my pre-written prompt in the description to create a professional and compelling description with ChatGPT. Copy the result, paste it in, and click Next. After that, you'll need to enter your business location. For this tutorial, I'll add an example location, but you can use your actual address or operating area. Next, and nove.ai will start generating a professional website for your business. In just a few seconds, your website will be ready to preview. If you don't like the default template, no worries. You can click Next to browse other templates until you find one that suits your business perfectly. You can even see how it looks on a smartphone. Once you're satisfied, you can edit your website further. With nove.ai's intuitive editing tools, you can easily customize every part of your website, add new pages, update text, replace images, and tweak settings. It's as simple as drag and drop. Once your website looks perfect, click on the Publish button. You'll be prompted to add a subdomain if you don't already have one. Finally, hit Publish, and your business website is live. You can preview, download, or save your website for later use. It's that simple. In just 5 minutes, you have a professional, AI-generated business website ready to share with the world. And that's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Zubair Creative Studio for more amazing content. Don't forget to check the description for all the links and prompts I mentioned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.